Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so for Ethereum, my targets. All right, so first of all, I want to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we had a crazy, very nice bull market, the previous one. And this, after that, we had a correction, very nice. And then we all were expecting crazy action here, looking for $8,000 Ethereum. It didn't happen. And so I cannot call this a wave 2 because I cannot call this a third wave. Okay, maybe it gave us a diagonal. Was this an ABC, right? As a wave 1? Was this an A, a B, and then this was the C? Maybe. What is my my backup plan now? Well, either I call this a wave 1, but I cannot call this a wave 2. So I need to put it here and say, okay, we had I'm not sure if I can call still I don't want to be too technical. Let's say I just say an ABC, okay, to make life easier. Okay, so ABC 1-to-1 ratio, it should bring the price near $900. I know it sounds crazy, but it is what it is. So for this scenario here, which is an A, B, C, the C is not done yet. And within this C, I mean, if I do micro counting, well, we have a wave A, we have a wave B, and now we're starting the C wave. So C wave is 5 waves, right? So we technically did the wave 1. Now we're working on a wave 2, and so 3, 4, 5 still coming. Is this wave 2 finished? Good question. Let's try to answer it. Okay, so we did reach the 0.5. It's a little bit weak, but technically this is done. We don't need more. So this could be already a wave 2 completed. Let me put it in yellow so I know that I'm following this count. So ideally a little bit higher. 2045 would be amazing. And after that, prepare for another jump down. Okay, so now let's calculate something else. How about I count this as a wave A and this is a wave B. So 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. Well, actually it brings us to $876. I know that's crazy. Once again, you can see that $900, it's really a nice level, looks like. So once again, like for Bitcoin, I'm going to do a box here, and I'm going to say this area here, it's a very nice accumulation level. There is a dot here that's annoying me, sorry about that. Okay, so what are my levels of accumulation? Well, you know, 1300, seriously, why not? I sold higher up, right? So I'm okay with taking profits. Also, I'm going to take some more. I'm going to reaccumulate again at 100. Well, actually 1100, and after that, maybe 950. Oopsie, I didn't click. So coordinate 950 here. So I think 1100 for me, it's fine. And I think 1340. As you can see, I never put my levels band on just in case we don't get there. Actually, you know, even 1400, it's not a crazy price. Actually, you know what, 1350. And once again, who cares about $10 more? If I believe that we're reaching $8,000, I would feel really dumb ass if I miss that entry for $10, right? Bigger picture, my friends, bigger picture. Okay, so what would be the scenario now if this was just a wave 1 and this is a wave 2? Let's check here. And now this is speculation once again. If we go to that level, I'm going to go even lower. It's perfectly fine. Diagonal. You see, $120,000. How reliable is this? This is why we cannot. Maybe in 30 days, in 30 years, maybe, but sometimes calculations are off, right? Am I on the log? Yes, I am. So yeah, it's funny. You cannot always. I'm sorry, I'm not really laughing. Yeah, so okay, I have another scenario here, which is also a little bit more realistic. So this is always wave 1, fine, but this is just the so if this is a wave 2, let's say, okay, so I can even put back here the wave 2, and just saying this was the diagonal, right, guys? So this would be just the A, this is the B, and we're going to go higher. So, and that maybe it's a more realistic method to set a target. So we said something like that. Wave C, going to put 1-to-1 ratio. Oopsie. Oh yeah. 1-to-1 ratio. Here we go. You can see that now 1-to-1 ratio fine, but a lot of time the C wave just go higher up, right? So I'm going to put the 3 levels more. Okay, so now I'm going to put the ABC here. A, B, and C in orange. Okay, so now this is more a plausible way of calculating, anyway, according to me, in my opinion. So after that, when we finish this B wave, well, I'm going to look for 5-way up, and this would be just an A, a B, and a C, and that would complete the 3rd wave in green. And so, yeah, once again, 1-to-1 ratio, $5,000. Yeah, I mean, that would really suck if Ethereum gets stuck for one more cycle at this level here. So ideally 9,500 ish would be okay. I mean, we can, because it's a diagonal, I mean, it could just go to 7,400, and just when I listen to myself, it can just go to 7,400. It's like, oh my god, this is minimalist. No, man, this is like 5x, right? It's like it's pretty good, my friends. If we buy it at $1,000, that's 5, 6, 7x, depending how deep it goes. So yeah, for sure it can go higher. I mean, skyrocket is the limit, right? 1.618 would be amazing. $14,000. I'm not even going to count the x. Yeah, it's an easy 14. Okay, so this is pretty much all that I want to share today. So these are my targets for Ethereum. I'm going to put alarms on my 3 levels now, and well, I'm going to do that offline, because otherwise for you guys it's boring. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can join the Discord, sorry. It's free, and I share my trades, and yeah, so have a good day. Bye guys and girls.